Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your speaker QCY SP7 using application. You have to start by open QCY app. Of course, you need to add your speaker to the application, then you will see the same menu, and we need to go to the setting. So you can tap on it or just swipe it. At the bottom we have more settings. Tap at this line, and right here at the third line we have reset to factory. So tap at this line also and click OK. Now it will perform a factory reset, and after that we need to reconnect this speaker with the phone. Oh, we don't need it actually for this method, because no, we need. Okay, so it was a lie. Now go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, the speaker enters to prank mode automatically, so you need to only tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!